Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get followers on LinkedIn. First of all, of course, you'll need the LinkedIn application on your phone. If you don't have that, just go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android or App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then, all you need to do, just go and sign in to create your account. If you already have an account, ignore all of that, log into your account and let's get straight to it. So, just launch LinkedIn. And as we said, we want to get as much as possible followers. So all we need to do, just go here to my network. Here, of course, you should go and tap at people. Of course, if you have, wait. As you can see here, you will find pages to follow, people to connect with, or even to maybe subscribe or something. So all you need to do, of course, here, don't click at pages. Of course, you don't want to, you want to click on people. And as you can see here, I have nothing, but I have some pages here. So if you don't find any people here in your suggestions, all you need to do is just go here until you find someone to connect with. As you can see here, we have subscribe. Here we have see all, of course, follow as well, view. So if you didn't find connect, all you need to do, just as a try, you can maybe go close your LinkedIn, and reopen it, maybe if it's bugged or something, because sometimes it gets bugged. So as you can see now, I got people because it was bugged. Wait, let me just scroll down into people. And here, how do I want to get as many followers as I want? All I need to do, just go and start connecting with people. Just start, like, click at connect with people, as many as you want or as many as possible, and they will, for sure, not all of them, but a lot of them will connect back. So don't worry. So that's how you get followers on LinkedIn. I hope you liked the video, guys. Thanks for watching and goodbye.